I know that I said I'd see you tomorrow, but I wanted to give you this great big congratulations. You've learned a lot and you've come so far. Just look back at the curriculum and see how much you've done. You've learned about poses and postures, also known as asanas and movements of the body. You've also learned breathing and a little bit about how to tie your breath and your movement together. You've learned about energy, positive and negative energies and how they affect us, as well as meditation and mindfulness. So this is a lot, which is great because these are all tools that you can use to begin healing and evolving and combining your mind, your body, and your spirit. So that is wonderful. If you're ever wondering where to start, because this is a lot of information, just go back to moving your body. Work on the physical postures first and foremost. This is important because as long as you're moving your body, you're benefiting yourself. You're moving energies out, you're bringing new energies in. It's a law of the universe. There's no way that you are not progressing without moving your body. So focus on the postures and the classes and follow along as best as you can. As you get deeper in your practice, like I said, this is a practice. Yoga is a practice. Life is a practice. As you get deeper in your practice of yoga, you'll automatically begin to breathe along with your movements. You'll understand on a deeper level how the out breath is releasing tension and tightness and dis-ease that you no longer want to hold on to. And you'll also understand on a deeper level and begin to experience all the benefits of the meditations. So if you're only able to meditate for a minute or two, that's perfectly fine. That's where you are on your journey. Just do your best. And finally, as we go into next week, we are going to focus on a brand new energy that is so healing, and that is gratitude. So you'll see in the PDFs, if you haven't already printed it out, your journey journal addendum or insert here that you can print out, or you can just use your journal to write down your answers next week. Just review this. I will go over it in detail, but this is going to be a great head start for you to just review this and understand a little bit as to why we're doing it. So tomorrow we have a wonderful restorative class, and I'm looking forward to that. So I will see you then. Bye.